over snow. Snowstorm.
Perilous fight, or the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets crackling, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the
Mexico City, ending further hostilities in the Mexican War and ushered in the Treaty of Guadalupe Hidalgo. In April of 1861 to 1865, brother battled brother during the American Civil War. Battles such as Antietam, Chancellorsville, Vicksburg, and Gettysburg took many lives. On April 9, 1865, the nation was once again whole when General Robert E. Lee surrendered to Union General Ulysses S. Grant at the Battle of Appomattox Courthouse. Throughout the 19th century, with the rapid western expansion of the United States, our Army fought many battles of the Indian Wars. Legendary units like the Buffalo Soldiers protected American citizens and ensured American interests were secure. Remember the Maine was the rallying cry after the sinking of the battleship Maine in 1898.
Well, we're going to sign him out and then go the way back. Them, yeah, I see it. Some of them not in the family to mama. Some of them just go to the army just because. But some people are tap them out though. And after a while they insist about not tap them out, some people go and tap them out. Eh? Come on, I'm gonna do basketball. Come on, say I'm not gonna have me. Basketball you want to do. But I don't want to do a case in the next area about walk. Behind the tree. You want to go to the tree?